Welcome everyone to our channel, The Journey to Serenity. Today we embark on an intriguing exploration into the mind of Leonardo da Vinci and his mysterious masterpiece, the Vitruvian Man. Join us as we unravel the enigmatic story behind why da Vinci dissected the Vitruvian Man into 14 parts and meticulously arranged them with both horizontal and vertical precision. What if da Vinci didn't discover anything himself, but rather gleaned it from earlier scholars' books? Has history been distorted, scholars' names manipulated, and thousands of books hidden? History is often written by the victors, especially after Napoleon's campaign in Egypt. Why did Leonardo da Vinci dissect the Vitruvian Man into 14 parts? And why did he place the horizontal and vertical pieces with such precision, resembling the Egyptian myth of the murder of Osiris? Leonardo's fascination with the human body was unparalleled. He meticulously studied anatomy, not just to understand the human form, but to explore the deeper connections between art, science, and nature. The Vitruvian Man, a masterpiece of proportion and symmetry, was more than just a drawing. It was a reflection of Leonardo's quest for knowledge. By dissecting it into 14 parts, he mirrored the ancient Egyptian myth of Osiris, who was cut into 14 pieces by his brother Set. This mythological reference was no coincidence. Leonardo believed that understanding the human body was akin to understanding the universe itself. Each part of the Vitruvian Man was placed with such precision to highlight the harmony and balance inherent. The horizontal and vertical lines were not just artistic choices, but symbolic of all things interconnectedness. Leonardo's work was a bridge between the ancient and the modern, the mystical and the scientific. His dissection of the Vitruvian Man was a testament to his belief that art and science were two sides of the same coin, each enhancing the understanding of the other. As depicted in the images, the position of the 14 pieces coincides with the location of chambers within the Great Pyramid: the King's Chamber, the Queen's Chamber, and the ground floor. One of the names of the Great Pyramid is the Mountain of Thoth in hieroglyphs, also referred to as Apis bull and two chevrons, which can also be found above the original entrance. The bull Apis has always been synonymous with Osiris, also known as the Great Western Bull. But how deep is this encryption? Does this mean that Leonardo possessed a map during his work for the Mamluk Sultan Qaitbay, who ruled over Syria and Egypt in the late 15th century, Codex Atlanticus, 1336 to 1337? This intriguing question opens up a fascinating chapter in the life of Leonardo da Vinci, the Renaissance polymath known for his contributions to art, science, and engineering. The Codex Atlanticus, a 12-volume set of drawings and writings by Leonardo, contains a wealth of information about his diverse interests and projects. Among these, the mention of a map related to the Mamluk Sultan Qaitbay is particularly captivating. Sultan Qaitbay, a prominent figure in the late 15th century, was known for his architectural and military achievements. His reign over Egypt and Syria was marked by significant developments, and it is plausible that he sought the expertise of Leonardo for various projects. Leonardo's involvement with the Mamluk Sultan could have included the creation of detailed maps, which were crucial for strategic planning and navigation. These maps would have been invaluable for the Sultan's military campaigns and administrative purposes. The Codex Atlanticus, with its extensive collection of Leonardo's works, provides a glimpse into the genius of this remarkable individual. It is a testament to his ability to blend art and science seamlessly, creating works that continue to inspire and intrigue us to this day. Whether or not Leonardo's map for Sultan Qaitbay still exists, the very possibility of such a collaboration highlights the far-reaching influence and versatility of Leonardo da Vinci. His legacy, as captured in the Codex Atlanticus, remains a source of endless fascination and study. Furthermore, is it by chance that Qaitbay was Circassian, and Leonardo's mother was also believed to have been a Circassian worshipper, deeply connected to their rich cultural heritage and traditions? Leonardo da Vinci's work has had a profound impact on modern science. His studies in anatomy, engineering, and physics laid the groundwork for many scientific advancements we see today. As we delve into his anatomical drawings, we see the meticulous detail and accuracy that have informed modern medical practices. Next, we explore his engineering sketches, where his visionary designs of machines and tools have inspired contemporary engineering and technology. Finally, we look at his experiments in physics, which demonstrate his deep understanding of natural laws and phenomena, many of which align with principles that were only formally recognized centuries later. Leonardo da Vinci was not just an artist, but a pioneer in various scientific fields. His legacy continues to influence and inspire scientists and engineers to this day, proving that the intersection of art and science can lead to groundbreaking discoveries. The Vitruvian Man continues to be a symbol of the blend between art and science. Its influence can be seen in various fields, from architecture to modern medicine. The harmonious proportions depicted by Leonardo da Vinci have inspired countless architects to design structures that embody balance and symmetry, such as modern skyscrapers and public buildings. Transition to next B-roll. Medical diagrams today still echo the precision and detail of Leonardo's anatomical sketches. Surgeons and medical students often refer to his work to understand the human body's intricacies better. His vision of the human form has transcended time, remaining relevant in medical education and practice. Transition to next B-roll. In the world of art, the Vitruvian Man remains a powerful muse. Artists across generations have drawn inspiration from its perfect proportions and the idea of the human body as a microcosm of the universe. Contemporary art pieces often reimagine this iconic drawing, keeping Leonardo's legacy alive and resonant. As we look to the future, the Vitruvian Man will undoubtedly continue to inspire innovations and creative endeavors, reminding us of the enduring connection between art and science. In the face of historical challenges, the human mind excels in leveraging available knowledge to achieve innovations. But what if Leonardo da Vinci was part of a long line of scholars whose knowledge and interpretations were controlled and manipulated by historical governments and political powers? Were his discoveries the result of a hidden scientific legacy or genuine individual creativity? These questions provoke intriguing reflections on how history is written and the influence of power in shaping it. In upcoming occasions, we will discuss the Great Carthage, whose history has been obscured and known to the world only through accounts written by the Romans. The truth is not as they taught us. Carthage stands as the greatest secret in human history. Stay tuned as we unveil what has been hidden for millennia and narrate the story from the time of the Kingdom of Solomon. As we conclude our journey, we look forward to exploring more of the Great Carthage, whose history and their impact on the world. And we have many topics that have never been addressed before, such as the science of letters and numbers and the secrets hidden by these sciences. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends to continue exploring fascinating topics like this. Your support helps us bring more intriguing insights to light. Until next time, keep exploring.